Good afternoon, Wilson's Roofing. My name is Jerry Rose. I'm the owner of Localogy, a digital marketing agency here in Columbia. We specialize in search engine optimization. I want to record this quick video so I could share a little value with you guys today. And that value will be in the form of a few things you can do to increase your Google ranking. Now, your website is gorgeous. It's reactive, meaning it can be viewed equally as well on laptops, tablets, and cell phones. But none of that really matters if people can't find you when they're doing a Google search for roofing. Now, we did a search for Columbia, South Carolina roofer. As you can see here, you guys are in the 25th spot, which means you're on the third page in the fifth slot. And unfortunately, 70% of people don't go past the first page when they're looking for a service or a product. So these are just a few things you can do to increase your ranking and get you closer to that first page, which is what we specialize in doing. Now, I dug a little deeper and I used our SEO scanner. As you can see, scan results for Wilson's Roofing Incorporated.net. And these are simply things that your website is telling Google it wants to be ranked for, or what Google is telling me about your website. Now, your title tag is very important. It's the first thing that Google sees. And you have roof replacement, installation, and inspections, Blythewood, Winsboro, and Columbia, South Carolina, Wilson's Roofing. It's a little long. It's 105 characters in length, when ideally it should be between 10 and 70. And it should only be your keyword that you want to be found for in your location. Again, your meta description backs up your title, and it should simply be, again, keyword and your location. All of this really needs to be changed to something much shorter and more concise. It's appropriate lengthwise, but the content isn't appropriate. None of this is necessary. This is what your website is telling Google it wants to be found for. So again, H1 and H2 tags as well should be much shorter and should simply say your keyword roofing, roof repair, roof remodeling, and your location or different locations that you serve. Now, if you're interested in getting any of this changed and you want to get ranked higher in Google, please feel free to contact with me. I'll include all of my contact info and even a link where you can schedule some time on my calendar to talk. We offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. We guarantee you'll get a drastic increase in ranking in 60 days, or we'll give you your cash back. Have a great day. Thank you.